A few years ago, we decided to purchase a classic 1991 4Runner. Our goal was to do a very light restoration to breathe new life into it. Well, we ended up diving a little bit deeper than we thought we would. From the dent repair and sanding to hours of prep, paint, and polishing, every step working on this 4Runner was all part of the process. Yes, we ended up spending a lot more time, money, and effort than we originally wanted, but now the work is done, and I want to show you the final product. If you've been following the channel, you'll know I wanted to use as little body filler as possible on this vehicle, so I focused mainly on metal manipulation. Yes, at the end of the day, I did have to still use body filler, but it was minimal. Most of what was done on the 4Runner was sanding, priming, and blocking. With that technique and the minimal amount of body work, I was able to achieve the goal we wanted. If you haven't seen the video I did of the actual paint job, I encourage you to go back and take a look. I will also put related videos to this 4Runner down below. Here it is, the final product. The 1991 4Runner I spent months prepping, painting, and polishing. This is the result of a lot of long days in the garage. Hey guys, do me a favor and go check out the new website at azoverland.net. I've designed a lot of new gear specific to our overlanding and off-road community, and I'm very excited about some of the products on there. Go ahead and check the website out. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below about how you think this 4Runner turned out. And don't forget, life begins where the pavement ends. I'll see you in the next one, guys.